I raced last year in the K4 and the K1 and was, what, 5th at the World Champs. So obviously for me that's a pretty good marker, and I'd like to improve on that. But really, as Jake said before, it's this year is about bums on seats at the Olympic Games. So we've got to really focus on what the best thing to do for Australia is, and qualify the right number of spots so that next year we can really focus on the events, you know, that we choose. Having said that, you know, if it was a double up in the K1 or K2, it would be really handy to get some experience at Worlds this year. So I'm not ruling out, you know, well, hopefully being in the K4 and doubling up in another event. You know, for me it's really about just trying to be in the best shape I can for whatever boat it is that I go in. So you know, the biggest thing I can bring to a K2 or K4 is to be going as fast as I can in my K1. So for me, obviously I've got aspirations in the K1 as well, but it's a great thing to be going well in the K1 for the other boats. So I'm not thinking too far ahead at this stage.
Never over.